Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the bootable medium. Plug a 16 GB plus USB 3.0 drive and back up any data. Use Rufus or Media Creation Tool to write the Windows 11 ISO because these tools create UEFI boot entries correctly. Once done, choose GPT for UEFI and NTFS if you need 4 GB file support, and enable Windows to Go or Portable Windows option if available. Make sure Secure Boot Settings will allow your USB to boot on the target PC. You now create the Portable Windows environment. Open Rufus, select the downloaded ISO, pick the USB device, and choose Windows to Go or Persistent Mode so the installation runs from USB. Select GPT partitioning for UEFI systems and NTFS file system to handle install files larger than 4 GB. Click Start and watch the progress. This may take 15–40 minutes. Once the process finishes, safely eject the drive and label it so you won't overwrite it later. You finish by booting the target PC from the USB. Enter the boot menu, often F12 or ESC, or adjust BIOS/UEFI boot order and select the USB device. Follow Windows UB to install drivers, configure network, and sign into your Microsoft account. Some devices need additional driver installs for full functionality. If it fails to boot, make sure Secure Boot and TPM settings match the tool's requirements. Alternatively, enable CSM or try recreating the US.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.